This is NITech stepper drive trainer. So in this one motor driver circuit is there, motor is there, its connection we have to do here. So here A winding we have to connect here, red, B winding we have to connect here, that is black. This is the stepper motor. So here some instruction for step table is given. So if we keep it 0 0, so these two switch are 0 0, that means the full step it will work. If 0 1, it will work in the half step. 1 0 it will work in the quarter. 1 1 it operate as a 16 step. Now here if we come for the some other modes, so here there are multiple modes are there, so that modes can be changed using this key. So here if you press up key, so you can see the mode is changed. Etching mode is changed to speed control mode. Now again if I change it to angle control mode, if I again change to, it comes in the step control mode. After that if I press, it will go to the soft catch, means lock and release mode. So these are the all mode. Again if I repeat, etching mode, speed control mode, angle control mode, step control mode, and soft release and lock action. So let us see one by one. So in each mode what will happen is, so when each mode is there, this will shift gradually over every key press. So how to key press? So here first this mode you have to keep, then press enter. So this is the enter key. If you press enter key, now if you press up, then in one direction, if you press down in another direction, it will take one step. So let us see, I am pressing the key. So one, so you can see it will move one step. Now in another direction if you wanted to, then another key, I will press the down key, so it will rotate in another direction. one 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 You can see this is the etching mode, so one step it will take. Okay, so now this was the etching mode. Now I am turning off the etching mode again by pressing enter key. So I have pressed the enter key. Now etching mode is completed. Now we will go for speed control mode. So again we have to press enter. So we pressed enter. Now once we have pressed the enter key, then we have to press right key or left key. So for one direction right key, another direction left key, for increasing the speed up key, and for decreasing the speed down key. So let us see. So we have pressed already the enter key. Now we will press right key. So that I am pressing, and you can see motor started rotating. Now if I press this key, motor will rotate in another direction. So direction of the rotation is changed. Now we will see from up angle. So now if I press this, again the direction change. So if I press this, then whatever direction it is rotating, it increase the speed. Now speed is increased, you can see speed is increased. Now if I press this, speed will decrease. You can see rotation speed is decreased, speed of the motor is decreased. So by pressing the down key, we can reduce the speed, we can increase the speed, we can change the direction. If you wanted to stop it, press enter, motor is stopped. Now this was the speed control mode. So now we are again in the main menu. So if we go up, so now we are coming in the angle control mode. So in angle control mode you can set any value. So currently 90 value is set. So let us see. So if we press the key, so first you have to press enter. Okay, so you can change the angle. So currently I don't want to change the angle, I kept this. Now here you can see, so this key in one direction it will rotate 90 degree, in this another direction it will rotate in 90 degree. So here you can see, so currently motor is in this position. Now I will press this key and it will rotate in one direction, you can see, by 90 degree, exactly 90 degree it is rotating. If I press this key again, it will come to the its original position, it is coming to origin position. So 90 degree right side and 90 degree left side it is moving. Okay, so now if we change the angle, so how can we change the angle? So now to change the angle, press enter. So let us go for 180 degree. So we will shift the cursor to this side. We are making 1, here 8, so we need to reduce. Now enter. Then here again if we see, so if I pressing once, now it will rotate by 180 degree. So again in the reverse side it will rotate in the 180 degree. So this way in both direction you can do the angle control in the stepper motor. So this is the angle control mode in our trainer. Now in the next mode we will see the step control. So this is the 200 step motor. So when 200 step is there, it will complete the one full rotation. So if I press this side, then it will do in one direction, again in another direction. So 200 step is there, so you can see it complete one complete rotation, it will come to the origin position. In another direction, this. Now again if you wanted to change the step here, so instead of 200, so press enter. You can change it to 100. Let us change it to 100, so it will rotate half. Okay, again enter. So here we can see now it rotated half. In the reverse direction it rotated half. So if I press 2 times, first time, second time, it completed the total 200 step or 360 degree in the mechanically. So this was the step control mode. So you can customize the steps and you can see the performance of the motor in the step control operation with this trainer. Now another mode we will see, that is the shaft locked and shaft release. So currently it is in the lock condition. So in the lock condition it cannot be rotated, so it will not rotate in any condition. So it is quite stiff and with torque. Now if you wanted to release, for the releasing you can press this and now you can rotate the rotor easily, so it will release the rotor, okay, or shaft. So this is the another exercise that can be done using this. So here it is release, here it is lock, here it is release. So now again if we see, this is each mode, this is speed control mode, this is the angle control mode. Now let us see the angle control mode. So this is 180 degree already set. Now here step size we have set, that is a full step. Now we will do half step. So we will make S2 to 1. So this is 0 1 half step. So for full step it can do 180 degree. When it is set in the half step, then motor will rotate only 90 degrees. So let us see. So here if I press it, you can see it rotated 90 degree only, though we have set 180 degree. So in half step angle set, that become half. Now we will set it to quarter step. So in quarter step now it will rotate in the 45 degree only. So this is 1, this is 0. So now this will rotate, you can see. Now if I again press the key, it rotate only 45 degree mechanical. Okay, so this was the quarter step. Now if we make both one, it will be 16 step. So you can see still it is 180 degree. Here it will rotate 45 by 2 degree. So 45 by 2 degree, again 1/16th mode, so 45 by 4 or 180 by 16. Okay, so this is all about the our trainer. So there are multiple modes are there: etching mode, angle control mode, speed control mode, shaft release mode, step control mode, as well as full step, half step, quarter step, and 16 step. In all four mode of steps, you can see the performance of this four mode. That is the step control, shaft release and etching, speed control, and angle control. Thank you.